Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you how to enter the address on any newer Garmin GPS device if the address is not in the same state or country that you're in. It's a little complicated. It's not that simple that you would think it would be. So here's how it is. And I don't know why they did this, because it used to be pretty simple with the older Garmins. I'm going to show you how it used to be and how complex it has turned out to be. Okay, so this is how it used to be. You would say where to, and then right here you would click address, and you could change state, you could change country, you could spell city. Very easy, but it's not that simple anymore. Okay, here you would say change state, you could say okay, change country, you could, let's see if you want to go to Canada. There you go, Canada, and you choose that country and what have you. Okay, but look how complicated it is on the newer Garmins. Let me zoom in. I don't know why they did this, but they did this. Okay, so now you go where to, right? So if you click on address, it doesn't give you the option to change the city, country, or anything. So what do you need to do? You need to go back. Before you hit address, you have to go right here. And right here, instead of saying where I am now, you have to scroll down. A different city you have to choose. It doesn't even give you the option of a different country. You have to choose a different city. Okay, from a different city, you have to choose the city where you're going. Let's say we are going to Canada, and we are going to Saskatoon, Canada. So Saskatoon. There you go, Saskatoon. So there you go, Saskatoon. You click on that, and then you go to address, and you enter the house number. Let's choose a different city, city instead of Saskatoon. Let's choose Ottawa, Canada. Okay, this time we want to choose Ottawa, Canada. Because why did I choose Ottawa? Because Ottawa is in many places where Saskatoon was only in one state in Canada. So let's go here and choose a different city, and we will choose Ottawa. There we go, Ottawa. Look, first our Ottawa is the one in Ontario, Canada, but then you have all these other Ottawas. So if you have to choose which one you're going to. This one is in Illinois, this one is in Ohio, West Virginia, we have Kansas, we have all of those. Let's go back to the one in Canada. Okay, now we have Ottawa, Ontario. And then you could go ahead and enter your address. Let's say 2586. Next, let's say it's Broadway, B-R-O-A-D, Broadway. Okay, so that was a made-up number, 2586 Broadway, but it happens to be a real number. Okay, I just made that up. So you choose go, and bingo, you're going to Ottawa, Canada. Now in the United States, you can only travel to Canada and Mexico. But if you're in Europe, you have at least 20 or 30 countries that you can go to. So it's very important to be able to put the name of the city followed by the country and then the address. It's a little more complicated than what it used to be, but it is what it is. We need to learn how to use these newer Garmins. All right, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.